National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for Northwestern New Castle County in northern Delaware, Southeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Southwestern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 10:45 p.m. At 6:37 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Wilmington, Ellesmere, Kennett Square, New Castle, Newport, Greenville, Ashland, Stanton, Hockenson, Pike Creek, Tolleyville, and Wilmington Manor. This includes the following highways: Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 4 and 16. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Motorists should not attempt to drive around barricades or drive cars through flooded areas. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. Most flood-related deaths occur in automobiles. Do not attempt to cross water-covered bridges, dips, or low-water crossings. Never try to cross a flowing stream, even a small one, on foot. To escape rising water, find another route over higher ground. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Here is the official National